Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the headphones off and clearing paired devices. This prevents accidental shorting. Once done, pry off the ear cup pad gently with a plastic tool to avoid tearing the foam. Next, remove the 4 visible screws under the foam. Use the correct Torx or Phillips bit to avoid stripping. Lift the outer shell slowly. You will see the speaker driver and a small ribbon or soldered wires. Take a photo now so you can restore orientation later. Once the cup is open, locate the driver connector or solder joints. Polarity is crucial, so photograph the red/black or marked wires. If it's a connector, press the latch and pull straight. If soldered, set your iron to low heat, desolder each joint, then lift the wire. Carefully pry the driver out, preserving the foam gasket and magnet orientation because placement affects sound. You're removing the defective part now, preparing for the only reliable fix. Install the replacement driver that matches impedance and dimensions, seat the gasket, and align the magnet to avoid rubbing. Reconnect the wires in the exact polarity you documented. Solder cleanly with minimal solder to prevent cold joints or clip the connector back in securely. Reassemble the cup, tighten screws evenly, and refit the pad. Test audio at low volume first, then check bass and treble across tracks. If you hear distortion or no sound, recheck solder joints and wire routing. Loose contact is the most common fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.